Market leaders in the adhesive industry, Pidilite envisaged a fully automated warehouse facility in southern India.
We started thinking about regionalization of the product distribution, and thought of putting a plant in south to take care of our geographical requirement of south and east. We conceptualized the entire project in a way where we take a cognizance of production manufacturing 4.0 with end of line and pelletizer and the asrs.
The warehouse is built with 3,100 square meter, and the height of the warehouse is 25 meters, and the warehouse, the asrs warehouse was designed for 23 meter height elevation, and this warehouse is having 5 cranes and 10 RGVs in a system, and it is completely an automated system.
We strategized our project execution plan with our products like stacker crane, RGVs and conveyor systems, along with WMS integration with their SAP EWM and MES.
The RM and PM is stored in the warehouse, and the manufacturing happens.
Every pallet is checked at points to determine its integrity and capability. Only after the pallet meets all the parameters is it deemed fit to move ahead.
We pack the adhesive into the different SKUs. The SKU sizes starts from 100 grams to 50 kg.
This one-of-its-kind, fully automated warehouse controls the location of storage and retrieval by WMS and SAP.
This warehouse is integrated to the plant SAP and also to the end of the line palletizers. The asrs system has a capability to meet our requirements for next 5 years.
We found Godrej experience and other thing very competitive, and then the support what we were looking for. We got a very good support from our partners like Godrej, and then we could complete that within the stipulated time.
Godrejkoerber has given a good automated retrieval system, which has given ease of operations, and number of transactions has become less, and comfort for the operators, so less fatigue. So this system is recommended to use for good warehouse management.
The SRS system is designed in such a way that it can cater not only to the present throughput requirements, but also designed and installed to meet their next 5-year plan of scaling up manufacturing and storage.
The palletization process after secondary packaging supports the SKUs and ensures a smooth outbound process.
We can rely on the product because this is an integrated part to our manufacturing, and anything happens to this will be a loss of production.
So implementation was very good. The Godrejkoerber team is very efficient in implementing. It is giving us very good benefit. Our people are very happy. They got this system in our factory first time.
Godrejkoerber is a trusted name in automated material handling domain, and we are the pioneers in India's warehouse automation industry. For more than 20 years now, Godrejkoerber has been helping its numerous customers across various industries by making their warehouses more efficient, profitable and sustainable. As a system integrator, we have capabilities to integrate any other kind of equipment or, let's say, subsystems from any other supplier. Our purpose is to enable our customers to conquer supply chain complexity at the lowest cost of ownership as the supply chains of future continue to evolve and become more complex.
We did a lot of sustainability kind of trials, and we would get the success on that. We are storing the material in 1/10 of the area. We would like to continue our association with Godrejkoerber for the future requirements of material handling.
To go with Godrejkoerber is always a good decision.